You want
We
to
want to
know?
talk about the turnstiles.
Okay.
You rolling, Ben? Okay. Benny, why don't you tell us about let's get a sense of the enormity of your job. How many turnstiles are in the system and how many are disabled in any given day that you have to have your
Okay.
hands for working on?
Let's approximately, including high wheels, that's the high entrance wheels, I would say close to 3,000 wheels.
I don't think it's over. I'm just gonna try and get the whole thing in. It's too dark.
Okay.
All right.
I really think when I tighten this,
Yeah, well, let's talk in full sentences. In the whole system, there are. Okay, Benny, whenever you're ready.
He's rolling?
Mm-hmm.
In the whole system, there are approximately 3,000 turnstiles. That includes high entrance wheels, low wheels, and the new electronic wheels. At any given time, there have been up to 400 to 500 service calls in a given day. But that's not for breakdowns on the machine. That's for impeding the operation of the machine mostly. In actual service calls for repairing the machines, very negligible. We train our men very hard, and they come to us as master machinists. So that, believe me, they can handle the turnstile. What the problem is the amount of vandalism, the amount of break-ins, the amount of token suckings. I'd say better than 80%, maybe 90% of our calls sometimes are strictly vandals going for the money. So our job is, if you want to say, this was a very easy job at one time. In the last 15 years since I've been here, it's progressed into a more aggressive job. But we seem to be able to handle it to a degree. It sometimes gets the better of us, but in most cases we can knock it down.
Can you just take off the lid and let's get just a little bit of B-roll of Benny like looking like he's working in there, just hands off inside.
Okay, we'll
No,
tighten it
let
up.
him loosen it so he
I'll
can
tighten it first.
rolling. Now do it again. I didn't realize you were gonna be sticking your hand there. Start from the beginning.
Okay, that's good.
Let him tighten it up.
I see your token, John. It's not totally lost.
Me over the shoulder might be more interesting.
This is too close because I
Too
didn't
close?
get
No, you're close, right?
This actually would be the position he'd work in when this stuff.
Uh-huh.
I'm rolling.
You don't see the token.
Wait a minute. Do this. Start over again.
Okay. Extricate the token. That's a little trick that just came up with. That's how we take the token out.
Can you check and see if anything is...
That's what I thought was cute. Now it's not going to work. There it goes.
All right.
He can't do it, miss. I don't believe it.
I think you handle it. Okay. Now
How's
put
that?
your hand in like you're trying to work on it.
Well, no, that won't work.
No, no, no,
It
no,
has
no,
to
no,
look
no,
more
no.
like it's
Put
stuck.
your hand in like you just put.
Up.
Put out of the machine. The easiest
Yeah.
way.
Right.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Now that was kind of sloppy.
I didn't see it.
Okay.
Did you see it?
No, do it again.
Yeah, you get a
It's a
catch.
magician, too.
Well, I can see it, but
Not working. Would you believe everything here is locked? Solid.
do me a favor.
My wife told me how to work.
Okay, rolling.
Okay.
back in there again? Like, do something. Okay.
Running it. Could be a machine, it could be some machine.
Machine.
Go ahead.
We have so much machinery here, we don't know what to do with it. Should have been here during the day. Never would have heard the end. It's an old joke in a machine shop. You usually have to scream to get enough somebody's attention so you can scream at somebody so they can understand you.
This is room tone.